Hey guys, I switched from MacBook Air to MacBook Pro. Now I'm currently installing the Final Cut Pro. And I see all these titles and generators, which I never use. I'm going to delete them. Go to Final Cut Pro, Contents, Plugins, Media Providers, Motion Effects, Contents, Resources, and then you have these speed templates and templates. I don't know why they did that, it's kind of chaos. For instance, you have titles in templates and you have titles in P templates. Just organize it as you wish. And if you want to install new motion graphics, go to Home, Movies, Motion Templates and create these 4 folders: Effects localized, Generators localized, Titles localized, and make Transitions localized. Now you ready to edit dope shit.